at the scope. Money talk, money more. Main crew say they weed it. Kicking down the door. Run it up.
6 job site, 1 day. This is what running a remodeling business in Florida actually looks like. My name is Vladimir. I run K1 Construction here in Florida. We do residential renovation, tile, bathroom remodeling, painting, drywall, electrical, plumbing, the whole thing. I've been doing this for 6 years, and today, for the first time, I'm bringing you along for a full day. First stop, floor and decor. I am returning some leftover material from the last project. In Florida, returns are easy, as long as you keep your receipt. This is the tile for today's second job. The client picked the color, but I always add a percent, like 10 or 15% more on top of the calculated amount. Here's why. Tiles break, cuts waste materials, and 3 years from now, when one tile needs replacing, you want the same badge. Different badge looks different. That's a professional standards. Now I'm heading to a client meeting for one of our current projects. I can share the address, but I'll tell you what we're discussing. Here's something most people don't understand. In construction, communication is the job. The actually building, that's maybe 50%. The other 50, managing experience. Okay, meeting's done. The client wanted something that honestly just doesn't work. They saw it on Pinterest, loved the look, but the structure of their space won't allow it. So I didn't just say no. I show them 3 alternatives that give the same feel and actually work for their layout. They picked one of that spot. Lesson: never just say no to client. Always bring a better option. That's what keeps them coming back. Here's the tile for the project. Always personally bring the first delivery and check the color under real light. Screen light. Phone screens, computer monitors, their light. Real light tells you the truth. This is one of the mistakes I see homeowners make all the time. They approve a tile color on their phone, then it arrives and it looks completely different. Don't do that.
Check the scope, money talk, money mo. Yeah, main crew say they weed it, kicking down the door. Run it up, check the scope, money talk, money mo. What? Main crew say they weed it.
We pick her up vanity and some shelf. So after we will install it.
Talking on the net, I just count the green cash. From a phantom to a ghost, you know what I mean. Yeah. On a whole nother level. Let's get it. Endless chances that I took with the whole team. My team. Snake shedding they skin, see the fake gleam. Real balls, new whip, off white, so clean. Rhyme with the heavy metal, make a big scene. Haters see me winning when my dogs survive. Feed the haters alphabet, letters, let them subscribe. Man, I had to play my moves right, give me my crown. Give me that fire, the whole game up. City's my playground. My town, my town. They be making wild claims out of nowhere, I don't hear 'em. Uncle taught me by check the scope, money talk, money mo. Yeah, main crew say they with it, keep them down the door. Check the scope, money talk, money mo. What? Main crew say they with it, keep them down the door. Starting in a new coupe, black tape, big wheels, big wheels. Took to the top floor, she know how I feel. No, walking with that fire, dragon breath, that's the deal. Got up under the hood,
Не, ну ты сам загибаешь.
לא, אני לא רוצה לעשות סליידינג, כי זה היה מגעיל.
Я уже там вытаскиваю и...
האלפים, זה יהיה פרמלס, האלפים, והוא פתח.
Исполнение плана.
focus on the process, not the praise. Not the likes, not the wins, not the race. Don't stress what I can't control. I train my habits, I train my soul. And no shortcuts, no emotional mess. I trust the work, I do my best. The future's built by how I show it. I focus on the process again. Today